Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside the YouTube app. Tap the plus, then create a short. Record or upload your clip immediately, trimming to the length you want. Once done, tap the music note icon to open Shorts audio choices. This is the only location where you can alter background audio for an existing short. You must work inside YouTube's editor. External changes won't transfer. Make sure your clip is selected and the timeline visible before moving to the audio library. Now search the Shorts music catalog or open your audio to reuse an uploaded clip. You can preview tracks by tapping them. When a match feels right, hit apply to attach that audio to your video's timeline. Once added, use the volume slider to mix original camera, sound versus music, and drag the audio clip to trim or align beats with cuts. This step is critical because timing and levels determine viewer engagement, so adjust until the visual rhythm and audio. Finally, review the full playback and save as a draft if you plan another tweak. When satisfied, publish the short or schedule it. Add captions and tags for discoverability. If the music still isn't applied, try clearing the app cache, logging out and back in, or uploading the clip and repeating the audio step. This clears transient editor bugs. Remember, changes must be made inside YouTube's short editor. External edits won't update an already published short without uploading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.